It was like basically the same price to get it with or without this pattern. Is that cute? Hi guys, Girly here. So today I'll be unboxing this box that I got from YesStyle. For my birthday, they gave me a $100 coupon. Got some random stuff. The first thing I got was actually a scraper for dishes because I'm lazy and it actually works very well, so I kept it in the kitchen. I got this makeup brush cleaner. I can attach it to the sink and then just clean my makeup brushes. Got these super cute hair clips, these 3 stars, and then just these normal ones. Ta-da! Is that cute? This hairbrush cleaner to like get the hair out and the dust. These makeup brushes, the other ones sort of disintegrated and all the parts just, I don't know where they went. I saw that there were really good reviews on this, so I just wanted to get them. Plus they're really cute and aesthetic, so... This is a necklace that I got as a birthday gift from YesStyle. It's a Libra sign. I also got this Har Wonder Black Rice Deep Cleansing Oil, but this one is for a sponsorship. Be sure to follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting a review of this, and I post a ton of different stuff. I post relatable content. Well, I try to be relatable. Fashion and kbeauty posts. I also have an album that came out on my birthday, so you can check out my Spotify if you wanna listen to it. And one more thing before I continue. Please be sure to use my code SCURLY54 for some percentage off on your purchase. This is a reusable code. You can use this together with a coupon code as well, which is really helpful. I got this nail polish remover. Before I checked if Romand was a cruelty-free brand, and there's no confirmation on it, which really sucks. Just keep that in mind. These 2 nail polishes. This one is one from Makeup, which is, I believe, is a cruelty-free brand. I think vegan. And this one is, I think, also. I'm pretty sure these are cruelty-free. I got these fingerless gloves, little traveling pouch. In all honesty, the material is, it doesn't seem very strong. It was like less than $3. Then I also got this cute pink one that was a bit more expensive, but I can already say that the quality is so much nicer. So in this, there's some space to put your makeup brushes, and it has this little flaps to make sure it doesn't touch anything else, sort of protected. And then there's this little pouch that comes with it. Also has more room than the other one. I feel like if I'm traveling, I'm definitely going to be bringing this one instead of this one. I don't know how much these are supposed to cost, but I think it was a good price. So quality difference, size. So next up, I got this little palette and this spatula. The reason why I got this is just for this, but it was like basically the same price to get it with or without this. I have some foundation that I just can't really use because my skin dries up so fast. This nail kit, and this has all of these to cut my nails. These are my nails, by the way. I have very, very strong nails. I hope that these ones are durable and strong enough. We will see. I don't quite know what this one here is for. It looks like one of those things that people use to put in their ear and get the earwax out, but I don't want to assume. It has this cute little thing to put it in, and it has so many things. I also got this little sample, and that's a Black Rice Bakuchol eye cream from Har Wonder. Har Wonder is one of my favorite skincare brands because they are vegan, cruelty-free. Packaging is painted with soy ink, and I love them. I really do. Next up, I got this super cute bag. I also have these 2 pins that I can put on it. I haven't decided where exactly I want to put them. There's this one and this one. This little bear chain on here. I got this super cute shrug for over my clothes. I really wanted to get this because sometimes when I wear camisole tops, I sort of get very insecure about my arms. I also get to be warmer. It's so cute. Look at the pattern. Okay, so this was all that I got. I currently also have the YesStyle advent calendar on the way, so I'll be unboxing that for you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also in the comments let me know which of these items you liked most and what you thought of this video. Do you like how I edited it? I don't know. Be sure to also check out my Instagram. I post a ton there, so there will be a lot more content of me. If you like my personality, maybe you like my vibe, I quickly want to say thank you so much for 200 subscribers, and thank you so much for giving me 1K views on one of my videos. I don't know how that happened, but I hope that I'll be able to continue making videos like this for you all, and that you guys enjoy it as much as that one. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Here's your little reminder to check out the description box for all of the links to all these products, and be sure to use my discount code SCURLY54 for some percentage off. There are currently Black Friday sales going on, so I highly recommend to purchase something this month if you want to. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!